International Airport. Today is the kickoff of a really special trip. Today I'm flying Southwest Airlines flight 1058 with service to Houston. This is the Southwest Premium Trip Report that you guys have been waiting for probably a couple months now. I'm in the C concourse here in Denver. I'm trying out this new microphone mod, everything else going on here. So my flight is going to be boarding today at like 2 o'clock. Departure time is 2:30. Today's ride is a 15-year-old 737-700 in the old Southwest colors. I'm going to try to use this camera more often. Today's a really big video. It's the kickoff of the Southwest Premium Trip Report, as I said. Hopefully the audio is not too bad because it is quite noisy in this particular terminal. But I'm hoping that I can get some takeoff footage. I do get priority boarding since my grandma that's flying with us today is disabled, so she will be in a wheelchair. So we do get priority boarding with that, which is nice. Which means better luck at finding a window seat. As I said, I'm in the C concourse and the new part of the C concourse, which has been greatly remodeled, which is really nice. Right now in Houston, it's about 69 degrees Fahrenheit. And yes, no, this is not the new logo, but this is just my band logo, my high school logos. I'll try to blur that out in the video. The software that I'm using for editing is Final Cut Pro X on my MacBook. So yeah, this is a really big video for me to make. A lot of flying to do today. I think flight time is like 2.5 hours or so down to Houston. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully I can get some boarding footage. Oh yeah, we'll make it do. There's the report.
We've been cleared for departure. Double check your seatbelt. Enjoy the flight.
passenger service unit. There's my GoPro again. Here, wait. Some window footage. We're recording here on this new camera. We should be getting into Houston within like the next hour or so. There's the laptop that I use for editing. Drink. Great flight. As he does flying, I'll update you on the pitch and the width. So follow me on Twitter at SplySpuddy, which is unusual because they got the name backwards. It's kind of funny. On my Instagram, Spuddy Plus. Also check out my website, spuddyplus.com. Because I can put that into the editing of this video. There's an airport down there. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but there's an airport down there. This is a really good video. This is the Southwest Premium Trip Report today on this channel, which is all the way for 2 months or something. So yeah, looking forward to Southwest for a 10:58 with service to Houston. Part of the punch list there, part of the seat is coming loose. I will notify the flight attendants at the end of this flight. A little scary, but hey, the aircraft's old and we have good mechanics. So thank you to the mechanics who keep our aircraft flying. This is normal. Not too daunting, but yeah. There's the Southwest logo up there. Just sit back and relax. Oh yeah. If you like travel and aviation, consider subscribing and ringing the notification so they can be the first to know when I publish a new video. Back to more flying. So yeah, the microphone that I'm using is just one that I got with this camera. Yeah, so we're about an hour away from Houston, and I will update you when we get closer to Houston. So how did Southwest do? Well, there are 4 factors that I usually rate all my flights on. So let's start with the seat. The seat, I'm going to give it about a 4 star because it does recline, and it had a window seat, and it was awesome. Like, the views were incredible. Let's do the entertainment. Well, Southwest doesn't offer seatback entertainment, but they do offer live TV on your mobile device. So I'm going to give that a 3.5 stars. Let's do the food. So it's just basic, snacks and drinks, nothing too fancy. So I'll give it 2 stars. And the service could not have been beat. 5 stars all day long with the service. They were great. So, this is how I usually rate all of my flights. And I'm going to start doing these so that, like how I'm going to be rating my flights. So,